Then Cinderella and the prince joined a yoga class and lived healthily ever after. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love surprise endings, don't you?
Yeah.
Say, you want to read another one?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Let's see what this one is. Aha. It's called The Number of the Day book. Sounds like a page turner. Let's see what it's about. Okay, here we go.
Here's a number, 11 is his name, and we're gonna play a counting game. Here's a puzzle with 11 parts, turning into 11 hearts. 11 shapes go fluttering by, 11 birds flying in the sky. 11 houses down on the street, 11 people you could meet. 11 circles that aren't squares, 11 cookies, 11 shares. 11 fingers if you add one more, 11 things 11 is for. 11 things 11 can do. No, I'm done rapping, how about you? 11. 11. 11.